After hugging this tree for 40 years, this beautiful walnut tree was just ripped in half by the wind last week. It's blocking the trail, so we got to salvage it. Pretty dangerous, so I'm wrapping a chain right around that. I hooked on the farmy winch from the tractor, moved back about 100 feet and set some tension on it. So he was holding the tree plus holding it together. Now we're going to cut it off. Cut method. I'm going to support the different parts of the tree with wedges. We've got a spotter watching the top. Now the wood's pretty much cut off, so we're going to cut the last fiber and the tree's just going to stand. Now we're going to pull it over with a winch, using the radio control on the winch. Nice easy pull to the side. So we're going to salvage this log, take it home, and make thousands of dollars from this tree stump.